Singapore Tourism Board gears up for its maiden virtual roadshow.
Every year, my team and I conduct our annual roadshows face-to-face in the market. UAE and Saudi Arabia continued to be the top 2 outbound markets from the region to Singapore.
The Roadshow is part of STB's regional B2B engagement effort under the theme United We Stand. We focus on the GCC countries. We want to provide one-on-one networking and foster business opportunities for the local travel trade together with our Singapore providers. This networking session is for the travel trade stakeholders managing outbound travel services from the GCC countries, and this is on a first-come, first-served basis. This event is an opportunity for the travel trade professionals from the region to virtually connect with the service providers in Singapore and to understand the various products and services available at the different phases during the pandemic year, and also to get updates for the destination. We are looking at a second roadshow tentatively scheduled for January 2021, and the core objectives remain the same, but targeted at the MICE intermediaries this time around.
The virtual roadshow will be held on Monday, the 31st of August 2020 from 10 a.m. onwards. For registration, log on to www.stbvirtualroadshow2020.com.